Hey, I'm Caleb with Wolff Industries. Thanks for checking out this video. Today we're looking at setting angles and clamping scissors into the Shears clamp for the twice as sharp scissors sharpener. The operator's manual included with your twice as sharp lists a bunch of different suggested angles for types of scissors and materials, so be sure to check that out. We're going to look at two different ways to find the angle of the cutting edge and then how to properly clamp the scissors. First is to use the angle gauge that's included with the sharpener. You insert the cutting edge like so and slide the arm piece until it is sitting flush against the cutting edge. This Wolff Ergonomics 6000 series industrial shear is set at 35 degrees. Okay, so we know what degree the scissors are. Now we have to set that angle on the clamp. You will loosen the screw here on the side of this upright bar, and this allows us to slide the upright bar up and down. Notice the degree etches on the upright bar. They are notched every 5 degrees from -5 to 55. Using the center line here, between the upper and lower jaw pieces, we line up to 35 degrees and tighten the screw down. Okay, we recommend placing the clamp into the arm in the sharpen position. On the side of the upright bar, the word sharpen will be facing up and hone right is upside down. If we flip the clamp over, hone right will be up and sharpen will be upside down. This is the honing position. The easiest position to clamp the scissors in is in the sharpen position, so we will flip this back over. I stick my index finger out and onto the back of the blade like so. This way I can feel the lower jaw of the clamp as I insert the scissors. This also helps give me more leverage and control. I want to follow the 1/4 rule. This is a two-part rule. First, I want to place the blade in the clamp about 1/4 of the way down the blade from the tip. And second, I want to leave about 1/4 of an inch of the blade visible above the upper jaw. I also want to make sure the cutting edge is parallel with the upper jaw. Then tighten the clamp down. To ensure a tight fit, turn the knob another 1/4 turn. The reason for the 1/4 rule is that if we are clamped too far towards the middle, we will hit the side of the twice as sharp. And if we clamp with less than 1/4 of an inch visible, the lower jaw will hit the grinding wheel. To clamp smaller scissors, you can clamp on the handle like so, and in this case, we ignore the 1/4 rule. Okay, the second way to find the angle is by doing a scratch test. We estimate what we think the angle might be. I'm going to say that this pair of scissors is 25 degrees. I will set my angle accordingly and clamp the scissors in the sharpened position. This time, I rest the scissors against the grinding wheel and rotate the wheel with my thumb. This will create scratch marks on the bevel. Remove the scissors and look at where the scratch marks are on the bevel. You can see that we are only hitting right on the cutting edge. If we are hitting only on the cutting edge, we need to go to a higher angle. If we are hitting only on the back of the bevel, we need to go into a lower angle. So in this case, I need to go to a higher angle. I'm going to try 35 degrees. I repeat the scratch test, this time with my clamp set to 35. Remove the scissors and look at the scratch marks. This time the scratch is across the entire bevel from back to cutting edge. That means that this shears angle is 35 degrees. Now we can start sharpening. So this was just a quick overview on how to find and set angles and how to clamp the scissors. For average to large size scissors, don't forget the 1/4 rule when clamping. There are still more videos to come in this series on the twice as sharp, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the little bell icon to make sure that you don't miss out when those get posted. And lastly, check out our website for more details and specs on the twice as sharp. And if you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, or comment below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.